Hello, dear kids. Namaskar. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. You all are safe. Yes, as we have completed our chapter number 13. Right? So today we are going to recap the chapter. Yes, आज हम ये चैप्टर का रिवीजन करेंगे, रिकैप करेंगे. And then we will start the exercise of this chapter. Okay? I hope you all have completed the new words which I have given yesterday of topic stars. Good. So now let's see here. See, we start this chapter with the activity which is given in textbook. Right? Then we learn about sun and solar system. Then we learn about planets. Then about moon, stars, and at last we learn about constellation. Yes, and also we have learned a smart way. Yes, to remember the names of the planets. चलो किसको याद है? Everyone remember? Say everyone, my very energetic mother just sent us nuts. Yes, आप सबको ये याद है? Okay, so we have started with the topic sun. See what we have learned about sun, that it is a very hot. Yes, it is made up of hot gases. It gives us heat and light. And sun is also a star. Yes. Then we learn about solar system. What do you mean by solar system? Sun and all the objects that move around the sun make up the solar system. Right? Sun and उसके around जो भी planets move होते हैं. Yes, जो भी planets move होते हैं, जो भी objects move होते हैं, वो सारा मिला के it forms a solar system. Yes. Then next we learn about planets. Yes, planets move around the sun in fixed path. That is called orbit. But orbit is just an imaginary line. Yes. And there are total 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Right? Pluto क्या है अब? It's a dwarf planet. And planets, they do not have light of their own. Yes, and each planet has a satellite. हर एक प्लैनेट्स के पास उसकी एक सैटेलाइट है. ओके, सो अर्थ की सैटेलाइट कौन है? यस, मून. मून इज द सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ. Yes, so this we have learned about planets. These all are the planets which move around the sun in a fixed path, which is called orbit. Then we learn about moon. Moon से यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं कि ये चीजें हमने मून के बारे में पढ़ी हैं. So moon is the earth satellite. Yes or no? It goes around the earth. अर्थ के साथ, अर्थ के पास वो रिवॉल्व होता है, मूव होता है. Yes, and मून डज नॉट हैव इट्स ओन लाइट. मून के पास लाइट है? नो. प्लैनेट्स के पास है? नो. प्लैनेट्स ऑल्सो दे डू नॉट हैव इट्स ओन लाइट. लाइट किसके पास है? ओनली स्टार्स एंड सन. एंड इट सीम्स टू चेंज शेप एवरी नाइट. मून क्या करता है? इट चेंजेस इट शेप्स एवरी नाइट. ओके. देन वी लर्न अबाउट स्टार्स. स्टार्स हैव देयर ओन लाइट. स्टार्स के पास उसकी खुद की लाइट होती है. यस, दे अपीयर स्मॉल because they are very very far away from the earth. वो हमसे बहुत ही दूर है, इसीलिए हमें स्टार्स बहुत ही छोटे दिखते हैं. But some stars are bigger and brighter than the sun, but they used to appear small because they are very far away from us. Then we learn about constellation. What do you mean by constellation? इसकी definition क्या है? Group of star forming a pattern in the sky. It is called constellation. Right? And each constellation has a name. Right? उसका एक name है. And name किसके according होते हैं? एनिमल के अकॉर्डिंग, ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड माइथोलॉजिकल. यस. सो व्हाट इज कॉन्स्टलेशन? इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स विच फॉर्म्स अ पैटर्न इन द स्काई. एंड द एग्जाम्पल्स आर द ग्रेट बियर, लिटिल बियर, ओरियन. Right? This is the hunter का picture, the Orion, the hunter, right? So, here we have recapped the chapter. I hope now you do not have any doubt, any problem, any queries. So now, let's start the exercise of this chapter. Come on page number 142. Section first one, objective type questions. Right? Exercise A. Choose the correct option. Number first, the fixed path in which a planet moves around the sun. So, एक ऐसी fixed path जिसमें planets, right, they move around the sun. So what do we called it? See that fixed path, it's just an imaginary line, right? वो सिर्फ एक imaginary line दी गई है जिससे हमें पता चले कि वो ऐसे move होते हैं around the sun, right? So it is called option A phase, option B crater, C constellation and D orbit. So what is the correct answer? D orbit. Second one, there are 8 dash in the solar system. So there are 8. क्या है 8? Moons, suns, planets or stars. Yes, of course there are 8 planets in the solar system. Third one, which of this is a satellite? इसमें से satellite कौन है? Mercury? Okay, Mercury तो planet है. Sun is a star. Earth is also a planet. D, moon. Yes, moon is a satellite, right? So the correct answer is moon. Number 4, when the moon cannot be seen even on a clear night, it is called dash. जब हम मून को देख ही ना सके, there is no moon on a night sky, right? सो अब उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? फुल मून, न्यू मून, हाफ मून और फेसेस ऑफ द मून. We called it new moon. So write there new moon. Tick mark option B. Number 5, constellations are group of dash that forms a pattern. Constellation क्या है? A group of stars, right? Completed. Now come to two examples. Give two examples for each of the following. Number first, planets. So here we have to give two examples of planets. I have written Mercury and Venus. आप लोग 8 planets में से जो नाम आपको easy लगे, जो नाम आपको याद आए, वो आप लिख सकते हैं. Then next is constellation. I have written Great Bear and Orion. You can write Little Bear also and try to find out some more constellation. Right? So completed. Ma'am is waiting for you all. Next, name the following. Number first, the system that consists of the sun and all the bodies that moves around it. See, bodies means what? Object, right? So, ऐसे system जिसमें sun हो and sun के around जो भी bodies, जो भी object move होते हैं, right? वो हो. So, that system is called solar system, right? So, write there solar system. SOLAR, solar. And then the spelling of system, SYSTEM. Next, second one, the fixed path taken by planets to go around the sun. एक ऐसा fixed path जो planets move होते हैं तब एक fixed planet, एक ऐसा फिक्स पाथ होता है, राइट, जो प्लैनेट्स लेते हैं टू गो अराउंड द सन. सो दैट फिक्स पाथ इज कॉल्ड, इट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. सो राइट देयर ऑर्बिट, ORBIT. थर्ड वन, एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट मूव्स अराउंड अ प्लैनेट. एक ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट जो प्लैनेट्स के अराउंड मूव होता है. प्लैनेट्स के अराउंड, राइट. अगर सन के अराउंड मूव होता हो तब हम उसको क्या कहते थे? प्लैनेट्स. बट अगर वो प्लैनेट्स के अराउंड मूव होवे, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड सैटेलाइट. ओके डियर किड्स, प्लीज रिमेंबर इट. दैट इज कॉल्ड सैटेलाइट. SATELLITE. Now next, number 4th, the changing shapes of the moon that we see every night. एक ऐसा changing shape of the moon जो हम रात को देखते हैं, that is called faces of the moon, right? उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Faces of the moon. So write there faces of the moon. PHASES of the moon. Number 5th, the group of stars forming a pattern in the sky. एक ऐसे group of stars जो night sky में pattern बनाते हैं. So that is called constellation, right? So write there constellation, CONSTELLATION. Number 6, the instrument used to see objects such as planets, moon and stars in the sky. एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जो हमें हेल्प करे टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक प्लैनेट, स्टार्स, मून. ये सारे दे आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम अस, राइट, बट ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट की हेल्प से इट इज विजिबल फ्रॉम द अर्थ. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड टेलीस्कोप. TELESCOPE, telescope. Completed everyone? First one, let's check. Let's check two example first. Mercury, Venus. Second one, Great Bear and Orion. Come to the name the following. Number first, solar system. Number second, orbit. Number third, satellite. Number fourth, phases of the moon. Number 5, constellation. And number 6, telescope. So dear kids, here we have completed our today's CW. Today we recap the chapter and we have completed exercise on page number 142. I hope you all have written with me. So now your today's homework is to write down two times names of planets. Right? आपको names of planets लिखने हैं 2 times in the notebook. Understood your homework? What you have to do? You have to write the names of planets 2 times in your notebook. Okay? Tomorrow we will do short question answers and application based question. Fine? So bye kids. Take care. Have a good day.